here on Yaadie Hands, issuing another call to our Jamaican charities, entrepreneurs and creatives for come tell on a story. Yes, sir. We want to hear about what you do, how you do it, why you do it, how you overcome the challenges which we know are many. And we want to know how you can help us. And equally important, how we can help you. Because everybody need a little help sometime. My name is Novadine. Call me Novs or Nova. Help me out here. If Yaadie was a country, what would be the nationality of a Yaadie? A Yaadian, a Yaadieite, a Yaadiese, a Yaadier, like New Zealander? Let us have the votes in the comments. Welcome to our new viewers and subscribers. We are very happy for your support. So what do we do on Yaadie Hands? We expose the positive side of our people to rally support around Jamaican brands, Jamaican personalities, Jamaican creatives, charities, entrepreneurs and business persons. We will share the stories of those who have dared to be different and have dared to make a difference. We have some interesting stories and personalities in the upcoming days, so do not tune out because you're gonna miss it. Subscribe to the channel so you can keep abreast of upcoming features and so that you can learn how to become a better Yaadie. You know why? Because there is always room for improvement. Here is a question for you. How do you become labeled as a Jamaican? Is it because you were born in Jamaica? Is it because your parents are from Jamaica? Or your parents' parents are from Jamaica? Or maybe you are from another country and you married a Jamaican? Or because you're there from Wapikil Philip, you're now naturalized. All of these circumstances may qualify you for Jamaican citizenship. But is that all there is to being Jamaican? To be the holder of a Jamaican passport or birth certificate? If that was all, it would hardly be worth it. Because those two pieces of documentation are probably used by the average Jamaican about 5 times in their entire lives. Make we count the birth certificate. 1, you use it to apply for school. 2, you use it to apply for your national ID. 3, you use it to apply for your passport. 4, you may use it to apply for work. And 5, maybe to open a bank account. If you can't think of anything else, make we know. And boy, don't even talk about the passport, which for the majority of us, it's just another form of ID. And we now count that. Most of us apply for a passport because we would like to travel overseas. And since embassy nagi with the visa where we did apply for the passport for, we naga foreign. I can talk about myself. My passport has been officially used only once in the last 6 years. And me know me have one heap of company in that boat here. That being said, the point is, there has to be more to being a Jamaican than the official pieces of identification issued by the government. If you ask anyone what comes to mind when they think of Jamaica, they may tell you one of these things. With patois, or dialect, or slang. With food, flavor to the world, or vacation destinations, our coffee, our rum. Now, let's talk about the barriers we have broken and the records we have shattered. We have created music legends, the likes of Bob Marley and Jimmy Cliff. Did you know that the Rastafarian movement was started in Jamaica in the 1930s and has since spread to the entire world? Also, we have built a sprint factory producing some of the world's top athletes. Names like Merlin Atty, I went last year that one day, Shelly and Fraser, Usain Bolt. All like me couldn't come out of the factory there with my 2 left foot. Jamaican sprinters have been unseating the then dominant US since 2009. Them say I suck me in the water. Me don't know how me not catch it. Some of them say I suck me in the yam. What you say? And my last example of shattered records. Our bobsledding team qualifying for the 1998 Winter Olympics. A bobsledding messiah, a cold weather sport represented by a nation in the tropics. And we re-entered the games in 1992, 94, 98, 2002, 2014, and as recently as 2022. The story of the 1998 team even inspired the Disney motion picture Cool Runnings. You need to check that out here, our history. So, do you think we achieve these things and enjoy these accolades simply because our passport says we are Jamaican? I believe there are certain qualities of a true Jamaican that makes us worthy of the name. Let's look at 4 of these qualities. Quality 1, our passion. And I'm going to give it a code. It's Q1P. Our passion, our drive. When we make a decision, we focus on what can be rather than on what is. We chase the next goal, always believing that it is attainable. Similar to how our sprinters keep breaking one record after another, including their own personal bests. Q2G, our generosity. Simply put, our kindness. You know what kindness means? It means being helpful so long as you are able to. And because it takes no special resources, it goes for all of us, bar none. Q3SD, our strength and determination. Strength is our ability to withstand force or pressure. Determination is to stand firm in our purpose. We go on even when it feel like the pressure about to bust the pipe. You know what we say? I better it bust and drown me. Me can't give up. Me nah give up. Literally, we will die trying. And lastly, Q4E, our energy. People who are energetic are proactive and bold in problem solving. Nothing will keep us down. And if we can't conquer the problem immediately, we exercise our energy in other ways. We chill out, we party, and we be in high spirits, including this one. I wonder if you get the point. It is our spirits that make us Jamaican. It is the fight within us that keeps us grounded in our purpose, despite all the negative voices echoing around us. Yes, sir, right here, we not focus on no negative, only if it represents a positive turning point. I ask you, are you a true Jamaican? What's your blood type? Q1P, Q2, Q3, a combination of all of them? Do you practice kindness every day? Do you strive to be unselfish and to give thought to someone else? Someone else's feelings, someone else's opinions? Can you recognize when the person next to you is feeling sad or troubled? What do you do to help? The scripture in Galatians 6 and verse 9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up." Your granny ever tell you, "One no dead no call it uppy"? When a person is down and out, do not give up on him or her. I leave you with a challenge today to exercise the Jamaican spirit, which may be asleep but is alive within you. Share your acts of kindness in the comments and revive the spirit. By the way, una didn't know say a 3 different kind of spirit we have in Jamaica? Next time,